Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back with more math from the SAT. We're going to be doing some probability questions, and I'm doing a whole new setup now where I've gone through the question bank questions and categorized them by type, even more specifically than the types the College Board has, and I've created questions to sort of help you discover that type. So in this one, right, we have it labeled as Pro HD. Okay, so there are multiple. So the H stands for hard, the pro stands for probability and conditional probability. And I have a catalog I'm making that you can find in the notes for this video. And then the D is just the letter I made to separate. So it's like the fourth type in the hard in the probability section. So we're going to do two questions that are similar to each other that sort of help you conquer this type of question, and then we'll go from there. In the city of Wickham, 1.5 million people use daily moisturizer out of a population of 4 million. The most popular brands for people who use daily moisturizers are Burt's Bees, Honest, and Badger Balm. The probability that a person who moisturizes daily uses Badger Balm is 0.37. If there are n million daily moisturizing people who use Badger Balm, what is n? Okay, so in this type of question, it is about knowing that there's extraneous information, there are multiple probabilities going on, or numbers at least, and you have to know which ones to categorize them with, right? So this is the type you'll see on the SAT. So we have a probability of 0.37 for Badger Balm. Now, how many people moisturize? What's this group out of, right? It's the people who moisturize daily, right? So that is only the 1.5 million people, not the 4 million people. So that's where people would mess up, is they do it off of this one. So we do 0.37 out of the 1.5, right? And it's asking for n million, so we don't have to worry about the millions number. So that's another area people would mess up. So let's try it out. It would be 1.5 times 0.37, whoops, equals Badger Balm. It's a weird B that looks like an A, but you'll understand it. So then we just multiply, and we do 0.37 times 1.5, and you can put that into your calculator, and you will just get 0.555 equals n, right? So this equals n as well. And that will be our answer, right? So if we had to know the millions, it would be 550,000. But here it's just going to be 0.55. So if you have questions on this one, let me know. But it's not too bad of a question. Now we're going to go up to the next question, which is similar, maybe slightly harder, but they're both helping you conquer this type of SAT question. So let's go to that one. Okay, so for this one, right, it is in 2016, a school has 700 freshmen, 600 sophomores, 550 juniors, and 540 seniors. For freshmen, the probability of playing an instrument is 0.3. For seniors, the probability of playing an instrument is 0.4. That's good. It seems like the school encourages music playing. If a student is randomly selected from the school, what is the probability that the student is a senior who does not play an instrument? Okay, so it does not play an instrument. So we want to find how many seniors don't play an instrument. So it'll be number seniors no instrument over total number of people, over total students. So to do that on top, right, we're going to do number of seniors who don't. So we're going to define that by doing 1 minus 0.4 equals 0.6, which equals probability P of no instrument. And then if you take that number and you're going to do 0.6, we're going to multiply it by the number of seniors, right, which is 540, to find the total number of seniors who don't play an instrument. So we'll do 0.6 times 540, which will be 300 and 24. And then we're going to divide that 324 by the total number of students, which would be 700 plus 600 plus 550 plus 540. So again here, right, they gave us extraneous information with the 0.3, which we didn't have to use. So this is going to get us 324 over 700 plus 600 is 1300 plus 540 plus 550 is going to be 1090. So it's going to be 2390, which gets us, when we work it out, 0.1356. Let's say normally you wouldn't go past the 6, so it could be 0.136. And that will be our answer, right? So again, try to think about how this one is similar to the last one and what you need to know to be able to do them, to help you sort of expand beyond not just doing these two questions, but questions like them, right? It's about reading carefully, understanding what information matters, what information doesn't matter, and then going from there. So again, I have a catalog below in the notes for this in the description. And from there, you can look at all the types I have. There'll be examples for the videos I already have made with this new system. But otherwise, it's a work in progress. And if you have questions or comments, I'd love to hear it. And I hope it is sunny where you are. And if it's raining, I hope the rain is cleaning your windows and watering your plants. Bye.